Welcome again to the Daily Message. Today we observe the feast of the Exaltation of the Cross. And the very title of the feast sounds pretty strange because why would we exalt the cross? Why would this be the exaltation of the cross? From all appearances, Jesus' crucifixion is shameful. His crucifixion was an act of capital punishment. He was crucified because he was an insurrectionist. He was crucified because he committed, in the eyes of the Romans, he committed treason. And so why would we exalt the death of Jesus? I think there's two reasons why we can refer to the cross of Jesus as being exalted. First of all, Jesus gives us the greatest example of being willing to suffer for those whom we love. We all know that whenever we love someone, whenever we truly love someone, we suffer. We suffer willingly because we're willing to have the compassion to walk through and walk with others when they suffer. And there's another aspect of Jesus' crucifixion that I think is worthy of exaltation. And that's that when we look at his death, he died a violent death, but he died not resisting that violence. In other words, Jesus didn't answer the violence of those who killed him with more violence. And there's a great example in that for us. Often our first impulse when someone does us wrong is to reciprocate, is to return violence with more violence, whether it be in words or deeds. Jesus shows us the profound example that we do not have to answer violence with more violence, that the power of non-violent love is greater than the power of violent retribution. Thank you for watching today on this feast of the Exaltation of the Cross.